Hi! In this lesson, we cover reverse parking, a commonly used maneuver that is easy to learn. It's best to practice this maneuver in areas with low traffic. The following pointers should help you learn reverse parking. Initially, as you approach the parking spot, indicate your intention early with your turn signal to prevent other cars from getting too close to you. My tip: to avoid appearing stressed, you can drive very slowly and start observing and signaling early. Now, having a good starting position is crucial. It makes a huge difference. Drive past your target parking spot with ample distance. However, always keep a car's width clear on the outside to avoid touching other cars with your front. Now perform a 360-degree check to ensure that no one is in your driving path. Start steering just before the second line of the next parking spot reaches shoulder height. Swiftly turn the steering wheel to full lock. Remember, you do not have the right of way while reversing. As your rear wheels roll into the parking spot, you can center your car. The mirrors and the rear view camera should help you determine your position. Whether you move forward or backward, your vehicle will move in the direction you steer. Simply steer towards the side where you have more space. If you haven't hit the steering point accurately, you can certainly correct it. For this, position your rear axle centrally in front of the parking spot so you can then just drive straight back. Over time, to eliminate the need for corrections, one thing is especially important: practice, practice, practice.